lovely people. You might wonder why I'm sitting like this again. After our walk around of this amazing vehicle, I thought I would never be camping in you know, like this. But we've been camping in the wind on the beach, and a roof tent and wind don't go well together. And we were forced to eventually sleep inside the car, which proved to be actually really comfortable. It's so well insulated, it's warm, you don't have light because we've got so many different blockage, screen blocks and everything. So we both figured, let's try and set this up so we can actually sleep inside the car and leave the roof tent at home.
Found these boxes, which are from Plano, very light. They seem quite flimsy until you click them all together, then you can actually stand on them, sit on them, which is very good. And the thing about these is that they're virtually the same height as the existing boxes that were made for the van. So a couple of those in here, a couple of mattresses on top, seats in the front go forward, middle seat too, which is pretty cool actually. Not many Landies have that, I guess. And what this gives you is a lot more length inside the van. Normally your bulkhead is here, which is up to this height. Here it's been cut away. It gives you a lot more, I think length, which is nice.
Especially for you.
Yeah, yeah. I think that'll work.
Cool. We've got space to climb into the vehicle.
Yeah, debating whether we need this.
Well, which side are you going to sleep on?
I'll let you know in the morning.
We, as many of you have seen, we are busy building up a bus that we're going to live in. So we're going from the whole tiny living, tiny house idea to even tinier camping. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this, but we'll see in the morning. The plus side of the roof tent is that you can keep all your bedding inside the tent, which does make it a bit more convenient because the stuff inside the truck is as you need it, whereas now we need to pack this all away to be able to get to the stuff underneath, which isn't really a problem, it's just a different habit that we need to pick up.
Well, morning campers.
Good morning. I just had to swim in this really refreshing river. It was lovely, very nice. We are so happy with this campsite. I mean, I can't believe that we drove that way first, and because all the cabins and the big pool, we thought, oh my word, it's our nightmare camping. But we ended up going, we had to do a U-turn. Then we came back and I spotted this little corner of the camping, and we had no idea that it would be just for people like us just really like nature. So yeah, we took a chance, we came in, and it's been stunning. It's been so nice. The first night we were pretty much the only people here, which we adore. There have been some other people, but it's okay, it's not full, which is exactly as we like it. So love the camping spot. It's a camping Land Rouge, I think it is, in La Gorge du Loup. The river is called Loup.
The first couple of test nights we have done sleeping inside the car instead of on the roof has been pretty good. Yeah. It is a bit of a, not a mission. It takes a bit of getting used to. When your mattresses are in there, you have to lift them up to get your stuff, which is underneath in those boxes there, right? Anyway, I have to say the car does help a lot because the previous owner had already put these custom-made Velcro door panels on, which helps block out everything, and a little custom-made, look at that, and that has helped just to close up the car, give some privacy as well, and it keeps it cooler in the car too. So yeah, thumbs up for me at the moment. I think we'll do this again sometime. It takes a bit of getting used to.
Yeah. And it's also about getting organized with our stuff. So what we've decided to do is we've got 2 of these lovely plastic crates. I'm going to get some of those pack box things because this drove me insane. I can never find anything. So you get them, they fit just in here, which will be great, so we can split up our clothes and towels and that kind of stuff. So inside the car we've got the other one like that contains our bedding. So we'll keep that in the car that way. And then yeah, we just need to reorganize these bits because at the moment our KDAC grill that we use for cooking is like way down that end. So we might bring it all forward so it's easier to use. It's pretty much as I thought it would be. It's not awful. It's not I do find the roof tent a lot more convenient. But in colder weather, in bad weather, you feel completely safe and cozy inside. So there are the plus and minuses. I wouldn't say the one is better than the other. I think it's just a different experience. I'm happy with both. What are your thoughts? What do you have experience with both styles of camping? Let us know in the comments. Keep rolling. That's your line. I can't say that. Yeah, I guess it's good for your yoga practice.